What up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and I got the JoJo.
Yep.
What happening?
Hey.
Where we going? We're going over to Skip's house?
Yep. Skip's house, and then up to Cloverdale, and then
Another job.
Falls.
Yeah, we got another job. We got 3 jobs on the list today, guys. It can turn into more, but yes, after it's July 5th, and we're gonna meet up with Skip, guys. Skip is a senior, so we gave him a little bit of a discount, and he's a veteran, so he got a super discount.
You have arrived at 4915 Marshall Drive on the left.
Oh yeah, we're here. Yep,
We're here at Skip's house, guys. And we just backed up as close as we could to the pile, and we're gonna get it done. Let's go talk to Skip. So I get this question asked a lot, guys. What size trailer is that? This is a 12 by 8 by 4, but the inside from here, guys, to here is 6.5 feet. So it's about a 12-yard dumpster trailer, guys. But I can fit 14 yards in there if I stack it up high. Like I said before, best investment, great. You can get a lot of jobs done, guys. Make a lot of money with this trailer. And it cost me around $7K. So we're gonna get started, guys. This is why we get up early, guys, because we don't like doing this stuff in the heat, but we will if we have to. Oh yeah. So over here is all the stuff that Skip said that his wife was gonna move and we didn't have to take. So that's why we charge per load, guys, and separate everything. Look at JoJo go. So an hour later, we're all loaded up, tarped up, and ready to head the dumps, guys. Let's go get this money. So we're at the dump line, guys. First load is done. It is 9:59. How you feeling, JoJo?
Good.
Good?
Head's cut off.
Huh?
My head's cut off.
Your head's cut off? It's all good. I'm gonna tell you guys, my head's cut off too. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna tell you guys about different type of customers you guys are gonna run across. Like this guy named Skip, cool guy. But he tried to pull the slick Rick. I call it the slick Rick. Was he not pulling a slick Rick?
I think he might have been.
Yeah. The slick rig is when you pull up there and you go bid the job, like say a week before or 2 days before, and you get there and he's like, yeah, all this is gonna go over here on the left side. All this plastic and play structure stuff's not gonna go. My wife's gonna pick through it and it's gonna be less. And then when you get there to do the job, he pulls a slick rig, guys. All that stuff's there. His wife didn't pull nothing out. So with those type of customers, guys, when you're dealing with customers that say that they're gonna have their wife go through everything and pull stuff out, make sure you guys charge them per load. So if I can get it all in one load, this is gonna be the set price, guys, because you guys will run across this. You guys don't want to get stuck doing a job where you told them a price and you get there and you got to do 2 full loads. Screw yourself, guys. So always watch out for slick Rick. And there's also another customer, what is it, Miracle Grow.
Miracle Grow.
Yeah, they'll send you a picture, guys, and it'll be like, you know what I mean, like half a load. And you're like, all right. Make sure you always get pictures sent with, I always tell the customers, send me a couple pics from different angles so I get a really good view of the pile, guys. Make sure you guys do that. But yeah, they'll send you a picture of the pile and you'll get there and all of a sudden that pile will turn into a full load. So watch out for customers like that, guys, and don't be scared to let them know, hey, it's gonna cost more. What you gotta say about that, JoJo?
Yeah, I like the name Miracle Grow.
You like the name Miracle Grow?
I
Yeah,
do, because it grows magically.
Yeah.
It's a miracle.
Or sometimes they'll tell you, oh yeah, I got some more stuff in my backyard after you told them a price. I'm not scared to tell someone, well, it's gonna be a little more money, guys. Don't let those people get over on you. Make sure you get your money.
Especially people that they start pulling more stuff out.
Oh yeah.
They just keep pulling more stuff out.
I love those customers that start pulling it out. Like, oh yeah, after you told them a price. Oh yeah, this. I'll be like, oh, it's gonna be a little bit more, ma'am. And they don't ever trip, guys. So don't be scared. Don't feel like you start cussing in your head like, oh shit. Just charge more money, guys. So prediction of the dump fee, JoJo. Oh, your head's cut off again. Prediction of the dump fee.
I'm gonna say 92.
92?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 110, guys. We're out here in Santa Rosa, California. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, probably closer this time because it had some heavy wood.
Wow. Prediction of the dump fees in 116. I won. Oh yeah. So we are pulling back up to Slick Rick's house. Round number 2. We got the old school too. Check out that old school he got. Old Chevy. So we're back for round number 2. It's all metal and plastic, guys, if you guys can see. Oh yeah. So the second load's done. It's not full, but it's probably 3/4, half load. Check it out, guys.
Okay, so we just got done doing Slick Rick, and now we got another phone call to bid a job here in Santa Rosa.
Yeah, so we're gonna squeeze this person in real quick and go bid the job real fast since we're in the neighborhood, guys. Oh yeah.
Yeah, when you get phone calls and they're right real close to where you are, you should just like jump on them so they don't call anyone else.
So I just came here to bid the job, guys, and the guy didn't have everything ready, so I told him to snap a picture and send it to me when it's all ready, guys. So we're heading to go bid another job in Windsor, then we're going to the dumps, and then we're going to Cloverdale. So yeah, we gotta try to get shit done fast. We're on a time limit. So pulling up to bid number 2 of the day, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. So we landed the job, guys. This is job number 2 of the day.
Water maybe.
How you doing, JoJo?
Good.
You good? You working hard today?
Working hard today.
Oh yeah, getting money.
Yep.
3rd full load of the day. Almost one load wasn't full, but this one's gonna be full. Some jobs are gonna be nasty as hell. So be prepared, junkies and junk guys. So we're about 3/4 full, and we're gonna have a full load, guys. This is how we do out here in Northern California. We get money. Oh yeah, all day. Look at JoJo. Get it, girl. Come on, guys, do junk removal. You'll love it. Lunchtime after this, guys. Oh yeah, did you see that? Let me get a second take on that. JoJo getting it all cleaned up over here, guys. Oh yeah. Where the maggots at? Where the maggots at? I'm not tripping. You tripping, JoJo? Where the maggots at? We'll do it, right? All day. What do you say about that, JoJo?
Yeah.
We'll do the maggots, huh?
We do the maggots.
We ain't tripping. Look at this guy. Almost got smacked. So JoJo, what's your dump prediction?
60.
$60?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I'm gonna say $80. Let's see what happens, guys. And damn, there's a line here. We're in the Petaluma, or no, we're in Hillsburg dump. So I'm pretty sure the dumps just messed up, guys. But you know what? I'm gonna take it. They only charged me $30, the minimum. What do you say about that, JoJo?
Yeah, they messed up.
They messed up. You know what?
We just roll with it.
We gonna roll with
just
it.
get
I
roll
feel like
with
we
it.
blessed today, guys. We just got blessed. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Oh yeah, we getting it. We gotta take it. I'll take it. Take it as I get it, guys. El Luncho. El Luncho. Mexican?
Yes.
We're doing Mexican, guys, so I'll show you what you guys can get out here in California. I'll show you guys the menu. This place is supposed to be off the hook. Check it out. It looks pretty cool. It's hot out here. I want to eat inside. JoJo always wants to eat outside, and I'm like, it's hot. It's like 100 degrees out here. Just eat inside where the AC's at.
We'll eat inside. I do like to sit in the patio, though.
So we'll show you guys the menu and the food, guys. Oh yeah. So here's the choices, guys. Combo plates. Oh yeah. So tip of the day, guys. Don't go eat a bunch of Mexican food and then go do a job and you ain't got no idea how much stuff's gonna be there, guys. I don't feel like doing nothing right now.
We have no idea how much furniture is going to be.
We're about to find out though, so we're heading to job number 3 of the day,
I'm
guys.
so stuck.
So we're here in Cloverdale, California. This is for a property manager company that called me up. I've done some jobs for them before and they gave me the lockbox code, which there's a lockbox on this doorknob. So you guys will get jobs like this. You'll need the code, which I'll punch that in a second. And we'll see what's inside. We have no idea, guys. Now, sometimes these things can be kind of tricky, guys. So I got the code. Voila, and I got the key. Let's see what's inside, guys. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Let's see what's in here. I'll get you on first. Go ahead, film me.
Okay. Yep. So there's that. Some table and chairs. Another chair. A little couch.
We got in here too. Oh, some stuff in there too. It's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. No, it's not bad at all. All right, we'll get it done.
Yeah.
Now that's how you guys stay busy. You get these property managers and other companies who call you up to do jobs, and you get paid without even seeing them. I'll email them an invoice, and they'll send me a check in the mail, and I'm good. We're eating good. Oh yeah. Like 110 degrees upstairs, guys, and this is my second favorite tool besides the dump trailer. This thing right here, because you can just knock shit apart. You got more room now, guys.
Yep.
So always get one of these. I bought this one from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has shitty tools, but this one right here, I love it. Love it. So that's another day with JoJo and Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos.